Poppy makes
a Harry Potter and Fantastic Beasts inspired potion light stream. Hey there and welcome or maybe even welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a Harry Potter and Fantastic Beasts inspired video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make a potion bottle light stream. For this you will be needing this printable with potion labels, which you can download for free. The direct link to this free printable is down below in the description box. A battery operated LED string light with bottles. I found these in my local craft store. A pair of scissors, some Mod Podge, and a brush. So first you need to download and print the potion label printable. You may recognize these. They are actually the same labels I used to make the potion necklaces with. I'll put a link to that video in the description box below and in the info box in the upper right corner. I've printed the labels on a pattern paper. The paper itself is patterned. This is optional though. Now take your wand and try to charm Diffindo. If that fails, just use your scissors. With the brush, put some Mod Podge on the first bottle and choose a label to put onto. Sorry, I'll speed this one up a bit. With the next you'll see it better. So take a bit of the Mod Podge and glue a label onto the bottle. Don't forget to seal the label with another coat of Mod Podge. Then, with a tissue, wipe away the excess Mod Podge around the edges of the label. Continue to do the same with the rest of the bottles. Now all that's left to do is put in the batteries, if necessary, and enjoy your lovely potion lights. And that is how you make a Harry Potter and Fantastic Beasts inspired potion lights. For more Harry Potter and Fantastic Beasts inspired video tutorials, please check out the playlist. I've put a link to the playlist in the description box below and in the upper right corner. Don't forget to like, share, and or comment the video. And have fun making your own potion lights.
For more ideas and free printables, please visit my blog poppymakesdiy.blogspot.com. If you have any ideas or requests on what I should make or bake next time, please let me know in the comments down below. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Click here to watch any of my other videos or to subscribe to my channel so you'll never miss a thing. Thanks for watching and see you next time!